Hello once again, everybody. I'm here with a little Lego tiny review of my custom fire station with fire trucks. We'll get the firemen over here. I'll probably bring them out over here. Oops, I don't want to do that. That's too messy. Yeah, let's go up here. Alright, so my first one is the paramedic. So, yeah. You guys don't need to pay attention to that. Next up is one of our other paramedics / firemen. Yeah. Here is our little fire mechanic / fireman. He's wearing his overall boot things that firemen usually wear. And here lastly is our captain / chief. So yeah, that's all the figures. He's the only one that has plenty of legs. Oops. My room is actually not messy like it was last time. Alright, so fire trucks. Here is truck. Here is engine 16. So yeah, he's got blue lights right here. Right here is red lights. Oh dang, I took them off. And here are blue lights. Headlights right up on top, right about here. But when I remodeled the truck to put these red pieces in, I think I took them out. So yeah, here's my fire station. I got a tiny little pumper / brush truck. That'll be 2. Alright, and I got squad 2 in here. So yeah, my door. Well, usually it's supposed to go like this. Since, it's this, clear. Hello. Anyway, let's bring them out. Sadly, my squad is bigger than my truck because of the model. Not like the, here, just imagine this piece right here. Let me just try to find an example real quick of what it actually looks like. Hold on. Here it is. Just imagine these right here. Imagine them right here. And just ignore this. Just ignore this piece. But the body and this are by, I believe, Jay Steffer. He's a Lego builder. He builds custom houses, vehicles. Well, probably not houses, but he builds vehicles. He shows off vehicles. So yeah, please subscribe to his channel. Probably put his link. Probably put it in the description below. I don't know. Here, there's the inside of the truck. Pretty basic. Got a walkie-talkie in the way back. Fire on both sides, and I made it look like it's equal. Fire right there. That space. Fire right there. That space. So yeah, let me show you what's all in the compartments. Air tank, little medic box. And here is the paramedic helmet for this, not for the driver, but for this one on the way far side. I don't know why I put it there. Got gloves in this box. And this one, the driver's helmet. And on top I got red lights. Technically the squad was technically inspired by, sorry, that's from coughing. This truck was technically supposed to be inspired by the Squad 51 from the 1972 to 79, I believe, TV show. I believe it was CBS. Emergency. So please check, find like season 2 or season 3. Watch the originals and watch season 1. I highly recommend season 6 and 5 and 4. But who cares about that? We're here about this stuff. So yeah, got, look at the back. Yeah, you got a little windshield in the back. Fire extinguisher. You got a shovel. Just like from Squad 51. The number on the back. And here's the license plate. PU11 with even more brake lights. This right here are blinkers. I don't know about this. So got blue and red lights. So, yeah, that's the squad. I'll show you guys what they look like. Oh, for this, I didn't show you the full truck yet. It's pretty boxy, I know. I'll show you what's inspired by nothing. So engine 16. I showed you a little bit of it back there, down there. But who cares? So there's only a one-seater. Got one steering wheel. In here, I got a compartment. Got a axe, walkie-talkie. Where's that? Oh yeah, here it is. A crowbar. Sorry, that pops off. Got the hose. JC82 for the license plate. And here is where the chief's helmet goes, or the captain's. So yeah. Just ignore this. I was running out of roof pieces. And last for the vehicles is a little pumper, hazmat, brush, you name it. I just call it a sloppy truck. It does not look sloppy. Brick Boys 519 or something like that inspired me to build it. They did a tutorial. I'm giving them credit. So yeah, up here we got mirrors. They put solid color like these. I put lights. We got lights up here. Windshield wipers. These are actually not Creo. These are here are Creo. Head pieces. Just like this is the Lego. Same size and everything. See? It's just that these are here come in 2 pieces. So yeah. The inside, I included a joystick in there, steering wheel, seat. Captain usually drives this truck. Got a hose right here. Pretty rare place to put a hose right now. Supposed to be a license plate. I didn't want to. Not just because I couldn't find my license plate. Don't tell anyone. Just kidding. I'm telling you guys. This right here is a pumping mechanism. Antennas, lights up here. This here is where all the water is kept, or foam. This here is how to pump it into the engine. I don't have the piece in there, so I can't. Air mask in here. So yeah. And oh, I should review it. Alright, I'll be right back. I'm going to show you my mega ambulance. I know it's going to be pretty big. Alright, hold up. A piece broke off of it. Alright, and where did that last one go? Alright. Now, this is a pretty big ambulance. It's gonna look really, really, really bad. Maybe. But put a like in the video if you do like it. If not, leave a comment. and what you think. So yeah, let me put the thing back on. It's gonna be pretty big. That's all I know. You guys may not like it. It's gonna look really bad and really ridiculous at the same time. But here goes nothing. Almost. See? I know, these are here. I don't need duals. This piece right here does not go with it. I know. It's just full of buggy. On the bright side, in the interior, it has a steering wheel and also gauges. It's just ignore the police. See, I got gauges in there with the steering wheel. Got a one-seater. It's a white seat. So yeah. This here is ambulance 22. So yeah. That's it. Here's the medic. If you guys like this video, please please put a like, leave comments, subscribe. I beg you. I don't have any subscribers yet, so please subscribe. And yeah. Peace out.